battery connected, and we're about to try testing the new alternator. We'll start the car and then we'll measure the voltage at the battery terminals, and if the alternator is working, the voltage at the battery terminals should be between 13 and 14 volts. Hopefully there's enough hopefully the battery is charged enough to be able to start the car. Should I try starting? And I guess we'll measure the voltage. Okay. 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 Should I try to start?
Yeah, start.
It's saying coolant, the coolant sensor, coolant is low.
No, yeah. The battery indicator is off, right?
Yeah, the battery indicator is off.
That's good. You see now it's not winding.
Yeah.
You see now it's go quiet. It's not go off and on.
Yeah, I see. And then I guess we will know, yeah, if the drive belt pulley is working. This sounds okay?
Yeah. I think it has some misfire too.
Okay. Maybe could it be like spark plugs and...
I think so. It has some little, I think it's small misfire.
Yes.
But
Well,
it's not that bad. It's
that-
not like before, but it has some misfire.
It has some misfire, yeah. You know that that problem is still there with the lean, you know, the lean that I...
Cause you, the leak.
Sorry, that can cause...
Yeah.
Yes.
It's trying to adjust the throttle body.
Yeah.
That's what you hear. The throttle body open, close.
Okay.
I think when you say more lean, you try to adjust,
Okay.
and then open, close, and that's why it takes all the time.
Oh.
To get like
Oh. Okay. I see.
this car gives you that too.
Okay.
When it has no leak, I mean,
Yes.
it's always there. Now we try to adjust it. It's been like open.
Yes.
And then it gets to the line and it's down there.
Okay. And do you think the do you see any wobble? Like, you know, last time you told me that there was some like wobble of the belt.
And we hear sound too. Now we don't hear.
Now we don't hear.
No,
Okay.
remember we hear too.
Yeah.
You think maybe it was off here, right?
Could be, yeah.
Goes downward.
Maybe. Because I remember last time you noticed, and remember we looked at the idler pulley and you
And I
said
hear sound too. That's why we buy another one.
a new idler pulley.
Yeah. I hear sound.
Yeah. Okay, maybe alternator. Yeah. The idler pulley is on this side, right?
What's this one?
Oh, this one. Okay, yeah.
This we're fine.
Sorry.
We're fine.
Oh, great. Should I get the multimeter to measure the voltage, or it's okay? It's okay. Okay. Okay, I got the,
Okay.
yeah, it's 20 volts.
Yeah. Yeah, we got 13 points.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's a good one.
that's good. Okay, that's great.